Hello students of engineering, welcome back to Mudassir Academy. In today's video, I will be solving this problem from polar curves. The problem is find the angle between the pair of curves r secant theta by 2 is equal to a and r cos squared theta by 2 is equal to b. So apart from this problem, I have a playlist for polar curves on my channel. So please do refer that. I have solved numerous problems, exam based problems on polar curves, which will be applicable to all universities across India. And also for VTU, I have the dedicated playlist for VTU 1 BMAT S101, 1 BMAT C101, 1 BMAT E101 and so on. So VTU students, please refer those playlists. Those problems are going to definitely help you secure good marks in the examination. Okay, and as I always do, I am going to make this problem very easy for you. So please pay close attention, don't miss any part. Better take your pen, your notebook and practice along with me, because merely watching will not help, only practicing will help to understand the problem better. And also, if you are new to this channel, then please share these videos with your friends and classmates, your study groups as much as possible, and at the end, please don't forget to subscribe. So coming on to the problem here, find the angle between the pair of curves r secant theta by 2 is equal to a and r cos squared theta by 2 is equal to 2b. Again, if you refer the way I have solved previous problems, I solved in the very easiest way as possible. First, what you do, angle of intersection, we apply log on both sides. Okay, so first let's write the curves here. We have r secant squared theta over 2 equals 2a. Now what I do first, simple technique, listen carefully, apply log on both the sides. Okay, I am going to explain each and every step here. So we have first apply log r secant square theta over 2 equals log of 2a. Now what? Apply the principles of log, because log a into b is log a plus log b. See, this is a and this whole thing is at b. Okay, fine, because while solving mathematics problem, we need standard form, means only addition of or subtraction, multiplication, division, power is not allowed. That's why applying log here. So log a into b is what? It implies log r plus, what's it? Log secant square theta over 2 equals log of 2. Again, now there is square here. Again recall, there is one more very powerful property of logarithm. Log of a raised to k is what? K log a. Getting it? Because there should be no power here, secant square. So log a raised to k, k is to k log a. So again we will write log of r plus 2 log, this 2 will come down, log secant theta over 2 is equal to log 2a. Now everything is perfect, it's on the plane surface, that is plus or minus, whatever, plus. Okay, no powers, no multiplication there. Now I'll simply differentiate with respect to theta. As we already done many numerous problems, always derivative of log r with respect to theta is what? Log r is 1 by r. Again dr by d theta. So derivative of log r with respect to theta is 1 by r dr by d theta plus. Again see 2 as it is. So let's differentiate this properly. First, again many students know they do mistake while differentiating here. Again watch carefully, I am explaining this part. Chain rule, 2 log secant theta by 2, 2 as it is, constant. Log of, see in differentiation now only log of x is 1 by x or log of theta is 1 by theta. Apart from the theta or x, anything is there, again keep on differentiating it till you get a last part. Simple thing. Okay, don't miss any part here. See again, log of x is 1 by x. So log of secant, in place of x, what is there? Secant theta by 2. So it will be 1 by secant theta by 2. Again, only log x is 1 by x. In log theta is 1 by theta, but in place of that x of theta, what is the secant theta by 2? Again, we need to differentiate secant theta by 2. Okay, so again derivative of secant x is what? Secant x into tan x. So secant theta by 2 will be secant theta by 2 into tan theta by 2. It's not over yet. It's not plain. Again, not secant theta. If it is only secant theta, we would have written secant theta tan theta, but again secant theta by 2. Again differentiate theta by 2 with respect to theta is what? 1 by 2. So into 1 by 2 is equal to 0 because log 2 is constant, derivative constant is 0. Now see here, 2 cancels, secant cancels. So now, as you know, always in polar curves, 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to cot theta. What is that? It's cot theta. So it implies cot theta equals, see what I do, secant cancels, only tan theta by 2 remains. I take this side because it's 0, no? So when I take the RHS, it becomes negative of tan theta over 2. Okay, now to find the 1 by r dr over d theta is nothing but cot phi, the angle between the radius and the tangent vector. Fine, my bad. Now, so always what? Again, correct it. 1 by r dr by d theta is always cot phi. Please do refer the first video in polar curves. So this is the second video in which I have given all the formulas related to polar curves. You will get a clear understanding of how to solve it. Okay. Now, cot phi is equal to minus tan theta by 2. So what you do now? Make this tan in terms of cot. How do you do that? Very simple. Trigonometric principles, ASTC rule, all students take of you, whatever it is. So very simple, just for engineering, only remove this much. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. What? Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Cot 90 plus theta is minus tan theta. Simple. Correct. So here it is minus. So this will be what? Cot of phi will be, what I told you, to get minus it will be plus cot of 90 plus theta. But here remember, don't write theta and come. There is theta by 2 in place theta by 2, in place of theta it's theta by 2, so plus theta by 2. So obviously cot pi by 2 plus theta by 2 is nothing but minus tan theta by 2. So here cot cancels. So one angle I take it as phi 1 is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Beautiful. So I got one angle here. Each and every step carries marks if it is correct, otherwise they won't give marks. Okay, now the next, what second curve, r cosec² theta by 2 is equal to 2b. We'll solve for that. So we have r cosec² theta over 2 is equal to 2b. So same circus, apply log on both sides. So we have log r cosec² theta over 2 equals log of 2b. Alright, now again a and b, log r into this thing. So again log a into b is what? Log of a plus log of b. Perfect. Now again log a raised to k, we have to remove this because we want everything plus or minus. Simple logic, you remember. No addition, no multiplication, no multiplication, no power is allowed or division is allowed. Everything should be plain, like how we got here, no, plus, same way. But there is some problem in square. So we will apply the property of logarithm, that is log a raised to k k log a. Fine. So this will be again log r plus, and I bring it down, this will be 2 log of cosec² theta over 2 is equal to this log 2b. Perfect. Now we can happily differentiate this. Fine. So again derivative log r is 1 by r dr by d theta plus, again it's the same way, 2 differential log is 1 by x. Correct. So log of this thing will be 1 over cosec² theta by 2, but again it's not x or theta, it's cosec² theta. So again differentiation of cosec x is what? So differentiation of cosec theta will be nothing but, see, remember many students miss out this. Differentiation of secant theta is secant theta into tan theta, but differentiation of cosec theta is minus cosec theta into cot theta. Correct. So minus cosec theta by 2 into cot theta by 2, again derivative of theta by 2, it's not plain theta, will be into 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So this cancels, 2 and 2 cancels here. Fine. Now we can write, it implies cot of phi is again equal to, see, take this that side, right side, so minus become plus, again cosecant cancels, we have cot theta by 2. Beautiful. Okay, cot both are same, so this both cancels. So we have phi 2 is equal to theta by 2. That's all. So we have both the angles now. Now the angle of intersection is always given as angle of intersection between two curves is nothing but, what's that? Recall, it's phi 1 minus phi 2 modulus. Why? Because the angle is always positive. That means this will be nothing but modulus of, what is phi 1? Pi by 2 plus theta by 2 minus, what is phi 2? It's theta by 2. Cancels, so it is pi by 2. So we can write, therefore angle of, we'll conclude, intersection is equal to pi by 2, that is how much? 90 degrees. Beautiful solution. Or what's the meaning of 90 degrees? The meaning of 90 degrees in polar curve, when the angle of intersection is 90 degrees, we call them orthogonal. Orthogonal. So we call it as what? Orthogonal. So sometimes they may also ask, show that a following pair of curves intersect each other orthogonally. That is, the angle of intersection between both the curves is how much? 90 degrees. That's how we solve it. So I solved in the most easiest way as possible. I hope you clearly understood this problem. And also my request is to please refer the other problems along with this. As I told you, I solved numerous problems. Please solve them. If you solve them in practice, that is more than enough to get the full marks in this module. That's my guarantee. Okay, so please practice it. Any other doubts you have, any problems, please do post in the comment below. And also please do share these videos with your friends and classmates as much as possible. And again, please don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next video with more important problems. Till then, happy engineering, best of luck. See you in the next video. Bye.